Right. Oh ya, belum di share sound juga ya. Kita share sound and stereo. Alright. So what kind of magazine is 17? Children, adult, or teenagers? 17 and outside. What do you think? Is it for children? Is it for adults? Or is it for
For
teenagers?
adult.
For adults. Okay. Unfortunately, this is actually for teenagers. For teenagers, because if you look at the cover, it's more about music or about uh, fashion or lifestyle, something like that. So not really adults here. Right. Now, based on these three magazines available here, the Cobblestone, the Appleseed, which one do you like better? Which one do you like better? Okay, Nessa, what do you think, Nessa? Nessa, which one do you like better from the three magazines provided here? The Cobblestone,
Apple side.
Appleseeds. Okay, why do you think you like Appleseed better? Any reason? Okay. Tisha, how about you, Tisha? Ada Tisha nggak hari ini? Tadi kayaknya ada deh. Ada ya, kayaknya ada Tisha deh hari ini. Oh, ada. Oke. Tadi saya lihat ada Tisha di situ. So, Tisha, what do you think? Which one do you like from the three magazines on the list here? Which one do you prefer? Yes?
17.
17. Okay. Because you like the music or you like to follow lifestyle?
Follow lifestyle.
Ah, I see. Follow lifestyle. Abi, how about you, Abi? Which one do you prefer?
Appleseeds.
Appleseed. Why Appleseed? What's the reason? Because of the articles or
The article.
the articles? Yeah, okay. Now let's take a look at the second row over here. We have novel. Take a look at these three different novels. Can you tell me what kind of novel is the first one? Cam Jansen, and then The Mystery of Stolen Diamonds, written by David A. Adler. The second one is Judy Blume, The Tales of Fourth Grade Nothing. And last one, Terry Pratchett, Ahead of Full Sky. So what do you think this novel's all about? The first one, what do you think? What kind of novel is this?
Mystery.
Mystery, yeah? Okay, so it's like a detective story, maybe? Nessa? Is it like a detective story?
Yes.
Probably, yeah. Okay, how about this one? The from Judy Blume, The Tales of Fourth Grade Nothing. What do you think this novel about? What is the novel about? Is it about what? Drama or mystery or even maybe comedy? What do you think? Compared to this one, Ahead of Full Sky, and then based on the illustration here, what is it about? This one is a mystery. How about this one? Is it a mystery or fantasy? Maybe fantasy. By the way, Tisha, can you speak up? Your voice is very soft. I almost cannot hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now you can. I can hear you clearly. Okay. This middle one over here, what do you think? Is it drama or about teenage problems?
Yes.
Probably, yeah. Okay. Let's continue. The third row over here is actually about movie. Now, we have Monster House. Have you seen any of this movie before?
Yes.
Pernah? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the movie about, this Monster House? What is the
Horror.
movie? Hmm?
Horror.
Horror. Okay. Horror. How do you know it is a horror movie, Nessa? How do you know
The
it is a horror
visual.
movie? Because?
The visual.
The visual. Okay. So what is the story about? Do you still remember?
No.
Not really. Okay. The second one is Water Horse. Anybody knows what is the movie about?
No.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
If I ask you, do you know Loch Ness Monster? Do you know Loch Ness Monster? The legend of Loch Ness Monster. Nobody know this legend.
No.
No. Oh, that's too bad. That's too bad. Okay. Um. This story is actually, this water horse is actually about that legend. The legend is originated in, if I'm not mistaken, Ireland or Scotland. Okay. There's a lake in Scotland called Loch. So Loch is actually a Irish word for lake. Jadi kata loch itu adalah Irish word for lake. Loch Ness is actually refer to the name of the lake, which is kalau in bahasa is like Danau Ness gitu, or Lake Ness gitu ya. So, and what makes this lake is so unusual is because there is a mythological creature that lives in the lake, and the people around the lake call it Loch Ness Monster. So it's actually, according to the legend, it is probably the remaining of dinosaurs who live under the water and lives in the under the Lake of Ness, seperti itu. And this story, this movie Water Horse, is actually about that. Okay, but in the story, the plot take place in World War One, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you probably will like it. Try to find the movie on the internet, yeah. Okay, if you are interested. And the last one here is Charlotte's Web. Have you seen this movie before? Pernah lihat cerita movie-nya? No. Abian belum pernah. Okay. Abi pernah? No?
No.
No.
Oh, okay. The movie is also taken from a nursery rhyme story. Kalau cerita dongeng gitulah ya. Just like in bahasa, in Indonesia we know Maling Kundang, right? Now in US and UK, there's a story about Charlotte's Web. Jadi Charlotte's Web itu is actually Charlotte is actually the name of this spider who helped this little girl and her farm from evil banker. Gitu ceritanya, seperti itu. Okay, unfortunately you haven't seen that ya. Sayang sekali. Okay, last one about the music. Now, for the music, I cannot help you because I'm not really into the music. Maybe you can help me understand this uh, kind of things, yeah. Okay, we have instrumental gems of the 50s, and then Monster of Rocks, Platinum Edition, and last one is Jesse McCartney. So instrumental, you know what do you think about this three musical genre? Which one do you think is your taste? Menurut kamu mana yang kamu cocok? Which one do you like? Or do you know any of them? Ada yang tahu nggak? Because I'm not
No.
really familiar. Nobody
No.
knows? Not really, yeah. Okay. So, but you know instrumental, right?
Yes.
Instrumental is, what is it, Tisha? What kind of music is instrumental? Okay. Instrumental is like you are listening to music, but without any song. So you just hear the instrument playing, right? But nobody is singing. So you just hear the music or the song without anyone singing. Okay. Monster of Rock, I'm not sure it's what kind of CD is this, but probably about rock music, yeah, because of the name rock. But how about this one, Jesse McCartney? Which one do you like? I mean, what do you think about this? Have you heard any of this song from Jesse McCartney? Ada yang pernah dengar lagunya?
No.
No. Oh, okay. These books really need to be updated ya, karena anak sekarang belum ada yang tahu ini ya. Okay, not very familiar to you ya. Okay. Last one lah. Okay, over here. Take a look at this different agenda and also different kind of dictionary. Which one do you think is your favorite or your preference? Which one do you prefer from these three agenda? The first one, the second one, or the third one? You know agenda, right? Okay. Tisha like the first one. Probably because it is like a book, right? And it is big, right, Tisha? So you like the big agenda.
Yes.
What for? What
Um,
what do you why do you like a big agenda like that one?
Because
Yeah.
I don't know.
You just like the appearance, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The second one is rather small. Okay. Probably a pocket agenda. Okay. If you like this one, you are probably a very what is it? A compact. You like something compact, and you like to keep things noted. So you probably choose this one. But if you don't like to bring anywhere the agenda, you probably can choose this last one. So kalau Tisha kan tadi yang A. Nesa, Abian, and Abi, kira-kira pilih yang mana? Which one do you
C.
prefer? C. Oh, Nesa yang C. Okay. Because the line is big.
Because lots of picture.
Ah, I see. Because lots of pictures. Abian and Abi, which one do you like? Or which one do you prefer? From these three. Dari tiga ini mana yang you prefer? Oh, apa tuh?
C.
C. Kenapa C juga? Because of the picture or you have different reason?
Yes, because of the picture.
Because of the picture. Kemungkinan gambarnya mungkin juga karena anime kali ya. Now, let's go to the last part. We have a dictionary. We have the complete Oxford Thesaurus English Dictionary. And then this one is probably a pocket dictionary. And this one is illustrated dictionary. Berarti dictionary-nya with pictures, right? From these three different kind of dictionary, which one do you prefer to have? For your home, maybe? Which one do you like to have? Which one do you prefer? Okay. Mana tuh? Okay. I actually prefer this one because I will need a lot of resources, and this kind of dictionary probably have all the information I need. But for my niece, maybe I can recommend this one because it has a lot of pictures and can explain a certain word with the pictures. Okay. How about you? Which one do you like? Which one do you prefer to have?
C.
Oh, C. You like
C.
C. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Okay, now take a look at back to the magazine. Yang tadi sudah nih. Sorry. Ya, yang tadi ini ada magazine, ada novel, ada movie, ada music, ada agenda and dictionary. Can you tick all the your favorite and then see how many? Oh, ada yang jawab nih. Monster House made me can't sleep. Really? Bikin gak bisa tidur? Wow, that's interesting. Okay, which one do you think is your choice? And let's compile your answer with this survey. Nah, terakhir kita kerjakan surveinya. So, which one do you have? If you have more A's, nah silakan dipilih dulu tapinya ya. You have to choose it. If you have more A's, artinya pilihannya banyak yang A dari 6 itu, meaning that you love challenges. Okay, you are not afraid of making mistakes. For you, a person can learn much from his failures. Okay, you always want to fulfill your dream and you are not easily influenced by others. You would rather have one or two best friends than many friends. And if you have more B's, okay, meaning that you love adventure, you like to try new things, you have many new ideas and always try to succeed. You are able to understand your friends' feelings and problems, but you easily feel upset when you are criticized. Many friends consider you their best friend, but you don't think the same way. Okay, lo aja, gua kagak gitu ya. Right, and if you have more C's, meaning that you love to know what's going on around you, and you are an easygoing person. Easygoing itu artinya Wallace lah ya orangnya, santai-santai gitu. Relationship with others is something important for you. You are a warm person. You like to spend time having fun with your family and friends. You love to make friends. And if you have the same number, misalnya 3A, 3B, 3C, if you have the same number of all letters, you have many interests. You like to learn about many things. You are a curious person, but you usually get bored with doing things. You like to make many friends, and you consider all your friends special. So, based on your choices, which one are you? Okay, Tisha, which one are you? Are you belong to A, B, or C, or collective? Yang terakhir ini, which one are you? Tisha.
Terakhir.
Yang terakhir, oh okay. Meaning that you have many interests ya. Abi, how about you, Abi? Which one are you?
What?
From the choices from number 1 to number 6, how many A's or B's or C's you have? Do you have more A's, more B's, or more C's? Or even number? Yang mana?
Bees.
You are an easygoing person, yeah? Okay. Nessa, how about you, Nessa? Which one are you?
B.
Bees. Oh, you love adventure. Okay. Last one. Abian, which one are you?
I have more C.
Morsis. Oke. Oh, sama nih ya. Abian sama Abinaya itu sama ya, setipe ya. You love to know what's going on around you. You're an easy person, easygoing person. Do you watch Discovery Channel? By the way, not really ya. Nggak jawab nih. Apa sih itu gambarnya, maksudnya apa sih, Abi? Okay, I don't understand that. Okay, let's continue. So this time we have the vocabulary item that we already have in the presume earlier, some of them actually. Now I'd like you to list down on your book the things that I like the things that are what? For example, I like the things that are informative. I like the things that are funny. I don't like things that are, for example, difficult, dreadful, boring, something like that. So please put this word into this box. The thing that I like, the things that are apa? Things that you like. And then over here, write down the things that you don't like. Okay? Alright, let's go. Okay, you can write it on your book, but you can also write it on this. Okay. Oh, dia pakai OBS. Alright. Loh, let's go. Let's start writing. Let's start writing. So, okay. Alright, so can you type it down? Boleh dituliskan, diketik juga boleh on the screen. Oke, paling bisa nih kalau biasanya Abi nih paling doyan nih ngetik-ngetik nih. Abian juga bolehlah. Come on, Abian. Farel kemana nih? Oke. Right. Alright. What else? What else? Come on. Too many Farel tidak bergabung nih. Ntar kita cari tahu. Farel. Kemudian ada Tia juga. Tia belum digabung ya. Safira juga nih. Oke, ada yang pakai merah, right? Okay. Alright. Oh, dreadful ya. Dreadful, you don't like dreadful. Oke, sebentar. Kita geser-geser sedikit. Oke. Oh, fantastiknya ada 2, nggak apa-apa. Oke, funny. Kemudian ada interesting. Alright. Ada terrible, ada difficult, ada dreadful. What else? Apalagi? Okay, exceptional. Do you like exceptional? Things that are exceptional?
Yes.
Oh, ada. Oke, kenapa nggak ditulis, Nesa? Ada 6 nih. Siapakah
Di
pemegang?
buku.
Hah?
Ditulisnya di buku.
Oh iya, boleh. Oh, Farel akhirnya bergabung. Hai Farel. Oke, kirain nggak ikutan Zoom meeting nih Farel nih.
Hai.
Oke. Ayo dong Farel, ikutan nulis dong Farel. Come on. Alright, ayo tulis. Oke, ada exceptional, betul sekali. Interesting sudah. Funky, what is funky? What is funky? Funky is unusually interesting. Itu funky. Do you like something funky or you don't like things that are funky?
I don't like.
Oh, you don't like something funky. Okay. Clumsy?
No.
No, you don't like something clumsy. Okay. So, you can write it down over here. Oke, biar warnanya lebih pakai merah deh ya. Oke. Clumsy, you don't like clumsy? Clumsy is actually more to ceroboh gitu ya. What else? Funky enggak? You don't like funky?
No, I don't like.
No. Okay. How about lousy? Kalau saya sih pasti nggak suka lousy. Lousy means bad or disgusting. Yeah, you don't like that too. Okay. Okay, but I like funky music, you know? Funky music. For example, like Tip X, you know, there's a band named Tip X. The genre of the music is ska. Na 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 na. Itu musiknya is very funky. For me, it's funky, interesting. Okay, but you don't like that, right? You don't like Tip X or ska? No. Okay. All right. Inspiring? Do you like things that are inspiring?
Yes, I like.
Okay, inspiring ada di situ. Boring tidak suka. You don't like something boring. Informative.
I like.
Oh yeah, informative. You like informative. Okay, me too. I like something informative. That's why I like to watch Discovery Channel or if you have a cable TV, you probably know NHK International, NHK World, NHK, Jepang, ya, actually Jepang. Indonesia has its own. Sekarang ada TVRI International, TVRI World, gitu ya. And then it features a lot of interesting stuff from our culture, our what do you call it, economy, something like that. Interesting. Termasuk jalan-jalannya. Okay. Dreadful, horrible. Horrible is, what is horrible? Horrible is usually refer to, horrible itu apa ya? Something horror gitu loh. Horror, horrible. Menakutkan, that's horrible. So, do you like something horrible?
No.
No, Me too. I don't like something horrible. Okay, not me too. Neither am I. Yeah. Okay. Right. So here we have informative. I like something informative. Bentar, saya kasih tanda checklist aja deh. I like something informative. I like something funny. Okay. I like something funky and then interesting and also inspiring. One last thing is exceptional and fantastic, but we don't like apa? We don't like something clumsy, something horrible, something dreadful.
Terrible.
Yeah, terrible and also boring, terrible and difficult, termasuk lousy ya. Okay, let's save that. Okay, now let's clear. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Now, take a look at this dialogue. Okay, hold on. Saya hilangkan dulu barnya. Okay. Bentar, ada yang perlu diperbaiki. Oh, tidak usah. Tidak ada. Okay. Now, let's listen to the dialogue and then complete the missing part. Yeah, you may write it on your book first and then you can write it on the screen. Ready? Okay, here we go.
Lesson 6, Activity 3, Listen. Part A, Listen and complete. Situation, Nisa and Sari are in a music store. Nisa, have you got what you want?
Yes, I have. I'm going to buy this guitar CD.
Oh, you like instrumentals? I prefer music with songs to instrumental music.
I love this CD because I myself play the guitar. This music is so inspiring. It makes me want to play the guitar better.
I don't really hate instrumental music, but I find it boring. I would rather sing than just listen to music without lyrics.
I like playing guitar better than singing. So, what's your favorite music?
I like pop music.
Everyone now is crazy about Afghan songs. Do you like them too?
Yes, I do. The songs are fantastic. The lyrics are easy to remember, and the melodies are nice to listen to. But I prefer to sing Jesse McCartney's songs. They are more cheerful.
So, what have you picked?
The latest CD album of Jesse McCartney. Part B. Listen and correct. Situation. Keanu is talking to a clerk in a book.
Okay, let's listen to that part yang A dulu one more time. Okay, listen.
Lesson 6, Activity 3, Listen. Part A, Listen and complete. Situation, Nisa and Sari are in a music store. Nisa, have you got what you want?
Yes, I have. I'm going to buy this guitar CD.
Oh, you like instrumentals? I prefer music with songs to instrumental music.
I love this CD because I myself play the guitar. This music is so inspiring. It makes me want to play the guitar better.
I don't really hate instrumental music, but I find it boring. I would rather sing than just listen to music without lyrics.
I like playing guitar better than singing. So, what's your favorite music?
I like pop music.
Everyone now is crazy about Afghan songs. Do you like them too?
Yes, I do. The songs are fantastic. The lyrics are easy to remember, and the melodies are nice to listen to. But I prefer to sing Jesse McCartney's songs. They are more cheerful.
So, what have you picked?
The latest CD album of Jesse McCartney.
Okay, so number 1, the answer is
Inspiring.
Inspiring.
inspiring, correct. Okay, perlu ditulis nggak? Nggak usah ya. Okay, inspiring. Yang keduanya, this one is
Boring.
Boring.
boring. Okay. Number 3,
Fantastic.
fantastic. Very good. Number 4,
Easy.
easy. Number 5,
Nice.
nice. And last one is Cheerful.
Cheerful.
Careful.
Okay. Right, now let's listen the second part. Ada B-nya soalnya. Okay, bentar. Ininya nggak ada ya. Oh, hold on. Okay. Hold on, kok ke situ? Oh, okay, bentar. Okay, salah nih. Bentar. Okay, let's listen the second part ya.
Part B. Listen and correct. Situation. Keanu is talking to a clerk in a bookstore.
Excuse me, miss. I'd like to buy the latest book of Harry Potter, but I can't find it.
Sorry, we're sold out on those exceptional books. We'll have a new supply of them next week.
That's too bad. I want to buy it for a friend. It's her birthday tomorrow.
Maybe you would like another book? We have many kinds here. What's your friend's preference? Mystery, comedy, fantasy, or history?
It's difficult to know. I think she prefers stories about witches and wizards.
We have a wonderful fantasy book about witches. This book is a bestseller too. It's written by Terry Pratchett. I'm sure your friend will love this amazing story.
Some books about witches are lousy. The stories are difficult to understand. I prefer not to buy such uninspiring books. But are you sure this one is good?
Absolutely. It received the Carnegie Award, which is only given to exceptional books.
The synopsis already shows it's interesting. Okay, I'll take it. Thanks.
Oke. Sebentar, kita exit dulu, stop share dulu. Oke. Bentar ya. Stop share dulu. Oke. Copy. Oh, shush. Oke. Back to this. Oke, kita masuk ke sini dulu. Oke. Now let's check your answer. Number 1, is it correct? Inspiring? Number 1 is not inspiring, but what do you call it?
Exceptional.
Exceptional. That's right. Number 2 is not fantastic, but
Wonderful.
wonderful. Wow. Nessa has a correct 2 answers already. Number 3 is not interesting, but
Amazing.
amazing. Very good. And number 4 is not dreadful, but apa? What is it? Not dreadful, but lousy. Some books about witches are lousy. The stories are bukan hard, but it's actually difficult, yeah. Difficult to understand. I prefer not to buy such uninspiring books. Jadi yang pertama itu exceptional. The second one is wonderful. Number 3 apa? Tadi apa? Amazing. Okay. Number 4?
Lousy.
Lousy. Number 5 is
Difficult.
difficult. And last one is
Inspiring.
inspiring. Okay. Now let's read the dialogue, shall we? Okay, kita akan baca dialognya. This time I need 2 volunteers, ya. Okay, we have Sari and Nisa, so kita pilih Nesa and Tisha dulu ya. Okay, Sari itu Nesa, Nisanya jadi Tisha. Oke, salah, Tisha jadi Nisa, Nesa jadi Sari. Silahkan dibaca. Oke, begin.
Nisa, have you got what you want?
Yes, I have. I'm going to buy the Squidward CD.
Oh, you like instrumentals? I prefer music with song to instrumental music.
I love this CD because I myself play the guitar. This music is so inspiring. It makes me want to play the guitar better.
I don't really hate instrumental music, but I find it boring. I would rather sing than just listen to music without lyrics.
I like playing guitar better than singing. So, what's your favorite music?
I like pop music.
Everyone know is crazy about Afghan songs. Do you like them too?
Yes, I do. The songs are fantastic, the lyrics are easy to remember, and the melodies are nice to listen to. But I prefer to sing just
Jesse
McCarthy,
McCartney.
McCartney,
McCartney.
so McCartney song. They are more cheerful.
So, what have you picked?
The last CD album of Jesse McCartney.
Okay, Jesse McCartney. Okay. By the way, tadi saya get correctly, this one is actually pronounced as music. Music. Dibacanya bukan musik in bahasa, but music. Okay. Sisanya udah oke. Right. Now for the second dialogue, we'll have bentar, kita tadi ada punya kok kebalik. Oke. Ini adalah alat nih. Oke, we have siapa? Ada Farel ya tadi ya. Ada Farel, ada Abian juga boleh lah. Keanunya mungkin Farel. Nah, clerknya Abian. Silakan Abian dan Farel mulai dialognya. Yuk. Ya,
Like to
Farel.
buy the
Latest book of Harry Potter.
but I can't find it.
Sorry, we're sold out on those exceptional books. We'll have a new supply of them next week.
That's too bad. That's too bad.
That's
Yang
too
ini,
bad.
that
I want to buy this novel for a friend. It's her birthday tomorrow.
Maybe you would like another book. We have many kinds here. What's your friend's preference? Mystery, comedy, fantasy, or history?
It's good to know. I think she
prefers
story about
witches
and
wizards.
We have a wonderful fantasy book. We have a wonderful book.
Fantasy book, betul.
Fantasy book about witches. This book is a bestseller too. It is written by Terry Pratchett. Terry Pratchett. I'm sure your friend will love this amazing story.
Some books, Farrell, some books are lousy. Farrell. Some books about witches are lousy.
Some books about witches are
lousy.
The stories are
difficult
to understand. I prefer not to buy such
Uninspiring.
uninspiring book. But are you sure this one is good?
Absolutely, it received the Carnegie Award, which is only
Carnegie.
given to
Carnegie dibacanya.
it received the Carnegie Award, which is only given to exceptional books.
This notice early, so it's interesting. I will take this book. Thanks.
Oke, I'll take this book. Thanks. Gitu maksudnya. Oke. Now, read the dialogue one more time. Ya, with the correct answer. And this time I need you to decide whether these statements, number 1 to number 10, is true or false. If you think it is true, you just need to circle true, or you can just put a check mark on the letter T. If it is false, you can put a check mark or circle on letter F. Okay. 1 minute. Come on. Okay. I disappear. Talking head. Okay. Let's start with the answering ya. Oke, Tisha sudah mulai. Very good. Nisa and Sari want to buy a music CD at a music store. True? Okay. Nisa loves instrumental music because she likes to play the guitar. True. Nisa prefers singing to playing musical instrument. Yes, obviously it's false. Afghan and Jessie are pop singers. What do you think?
False.
True. Afghan and Jessie are pop singer. Sari would rather buy a CD album of Afghan than of Jessie.
False.
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 Actually, Jessie ya. Sari would prefer to buy Jessie's. Keanu wants to buy one of the Harry Potter series for his birthday.
False.
False, actually. It should be for his
Friend.
friend's birthday. Right. The store prefers not to sell Harry Potter series anymore. Yeah, the answer is obviously false. Not prefer, bukan not to prefer, apa? The store does prefers not to sell, but It is exceptional. It is out of stock now, ya. Okay, number 8. Canu's friend like fantasy tales better than history. Kalau mau dibeliin Harry Potter berarti memang suka fantasy, right? Bukan history. So the answer is true. Right. One of Terry Pratchett's books is very popular.
False.
Tadi yang judulnya apa? Head itu apa tuh? The Head Full of Sky itu adalah Terry Pratchett, right? So it is actually true. The Carnegie Award is given to writers for their outstanding books. The answer
True.
is true. Betul. Betul. Now, okay. Karena tadi we already use expression to show preferences and then also to show like and dislike gitu ya. Okay. Bentar saya save dulu jawaban yang ini. Bentar, ini saya save dulu. Okay. Now let's go back. Bentar, kita clearkan dulu ini. Let's go back and underline the expressions we have on each dialogue, ya. Take a look at this dialogue. I need you to underline the expression of showing preferences. Okay. Mana aja contohnya? For example, yang menunjukkan preferences ya. Misalnya you can underline or you can highlight, boleh juga nih. Okay. Misalnya yang pertama ini nih. Nih. Okay. Ini showing preferences, menyatakan lebih suka apa. Yang kedua kira-kira apa ya? Can you help me underline or maybe highlight it? What expression can you read from this first dialogue? Which one? Yes, betul itu 1. 2, betul. Sampai like-nya ya, don't forget like-nya. Okay, let me help you with that. Ini ya maksudnya ya. Oke, ini juga sama. Ups, kok ke situ? Ini gitu ya. Apalagi? Which one? Yes. Betul sekali sampai sini. Oke, kalau yang ini gimana nih? Would rather sing than just listen to music without lyrics. Itu termasuk nggak showing preferences?
Yes.
Yes, jadi ini juga termasuk, right? Oke. Ini, oke. Right, termasuk apa lagi ya? Udah ya, itu aja ya. Oke. Right, so these are some of the expressions. Kita save dulu buat nanti dibagikan di grup. Okay, now let's move on to the second one. Okay, second dialogue. Bentar. Nah, silahkan di-highlight lagi atau di-underline expression yang showing likes or dislike-nya. Ada lagi? Can you? Oke. Contohnya apa ya? Ini yang pertama ada friend preferences. Yes, that's right. I think she prefers story about witches and wizard. Okay. What else? Ada lagi nggak ya? Ini nih, yang ini apa nih? Yes, that's right. Ini nih. Ini juga termasuk ya. Ini nggak terlalu banyak ya, tapi begitulah. So now you know the expressions. Nah, kita akan praktekkan ya. We are going to practice using this expression. Oke. Nah, pakainya gimana? Kita masuk ke halaman selanjutnya. Ini kita match, kita juga kalimatnya kita sebutkan aja. But this time daripada kamu menggambar-gambar, maybe you can just say it ya. Oke, we start from siapa nih yang pertama dulu? Yang paling bawah deh. Oh, oke. Farel dulu deh. Come on, Farel number 1. Coba pilih. I prefer Odyssey Magazine. Kalau prefer pakainya apa? To atau then? Pakainya?
To.
To. Berarti yang mana tuh? Silakan. Oke, Farel, ayo Farel. Kalimatnya langsung dibaca. I prefer Odyssey Magazine to bla bla bla. Misalnya seperti itu. Read the sentence.
I prefer Odyssey Magazine to
apa?
To
Sama-sama magazine. Ayo. Magazine dengan magazine dong bandingannya. Betul nggak? Oke, jadi
iya.
tuh. Iya, tuh.
Odyssey Magazine.
Ya, correct. So that's the right one. Okay. Abia, number 2, please. Sam?
Some prefers watching movies at home.
Ini bacanya prefers ya. Some prefers watching movies at home to apa?
To going the theater.
Yes, to going to theaters. Betul. Nih, 1. Apalagi during this pandemic ya. Okay, you don't want to go to the theater. Alright, next, Tisha. You're next, number 3, Tisha.
My friends would either bring their pocket dictionary to school, then use a school dictionary at the library.
Yeah, then use the school dictionary at the library. Oke, bentar. Ini warnanya ganti deh. Nah, biar ini kok gede banget ya. Oke, gede banget. Oke, next, number 4, we have Abinaya. Ayo, Abi.
What?
Number 4. Luna and I. Pasangannya apa? Luna and I prefer the fancy agenda. Baca aja, baca. Come on, baca. Just read it. Abi, read it. Read the sentence. What? Come on, agenda. Fancy agenda berarti agenda yang cantik, yang mewah gitu. Dibandingkan yang mana? Ayah, regular one dong, yang ini dong. Luna and I prefer the fancy agenda better than the regular one. Gitu dong. Oke, nomor 5 deh, coba dulu. Nomor 5, come on Abi. Nomor 5, I like horror movies.
I like horror movies better than science fiction movies.
Yes, that's correct. Bentar. Yes, itu betul. Next, Nessa, number 6.
Most adult people would rather listen to classical music than listen to pop music.
Pop music itu nomor 7 ya. Most adults would rather listen to classical music than listen to pop music. Oke. Right, nomor 6 belum dikerjain. Berarti Farel nih, nomor 6. Farel, ayo nomor 6. My sister prefers animated. Ayo, Farel, nomor 6.
Animated to detective film.
To detective film. Yang ini kan? Yeah, that's correct. Abian, number 8. Jane prefers
reading the newspaper to browsing the internet
for information.
information.
Yes, betul. Okay, that's correct. Tisha, number 9. She likes mechanical pencil
rather than regular one.
ya. Oh iya, ini pakainya regular one ya. Oke, kenapa nggak kepikiran saya ya? Ini ke sini. Berarti ini nomor dictionary ini dong. Pakai pensinya itu dengan ini berarti ya tik agenda book ya harusnya ya. Oke. My mistake. Jadi number 3 itu bukan to a better than a regular one, bukan yang itu, tetapi this one ya. To take school agenda harusnya ke situ tuh. Yang F. Bentar, warnanya saya ganti dulu deh. Biar nggak numpuk. Bentar, ini tumpuk. Oke. Iya, oke. Last one. Number 10. Abi, boleh? I would rather go to the bookstore. Abi?
Then stay at home.
Yes. Kalimatnya yang lengkap dong. Jangan setengah-setengah dong. I would
rather go to the bookstore than stay at home.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, good job. Right, bisa ya. So next time you have, make sure you remember, kalau prefer itu pasangannya dengan to, tapi kalau yang would rather boleh pakai than atau better than. Oke. Jadi kalau prefer pastikan dengan to, kalau would rather dengan than atau better than. Oke, good. Now let's continue. Ntar, ini kita lanjutkan. Nah, silahkan dipasangkan. Silahkan, you need to match these sentences, okay, with its partner, ya, with its pair. Silahkan. You can write it on your book first, and then you can draw lines, and then you can read it. Kita skip aja ya. Ini kamu bisa kerjain sendiri kan di rumah ya. Gampang ya. Nanti hasilnya kamu screenshot aja, bagikan ke grup ya. Untuk ngecek jawaban kamu udah benar apa salah. Oke, ini gampang banget ya. Oke, nah sekarang kita langsung dialognya aja, pelatihan dialognya. Oke, let's practice the dialogue. Oke, complete the dialogue. Work with your partner. Berdua boleh. Atau di sini ada berapa sih? Ada 6 ya. 6 itu dengan saya. Oke, berarti ada yang Abian, Abinaya sama Farel itu bertiga, silakan. misalnya ngerjain dialog 2, Tisha sama Nesa ngerjain dialog 1. Oke? I'll put you into breakout room ya. So, you know what to do, right? You have to complete this dialogue. Yang laki-laki complete dialogue 2, yang perempuan complete dialogue 1. Do you understand what to do ya? Okay, let's put you into breakout rooms. Okay. Hold on. Dialogue 1 ada Nesa and Tisha. Dialogue 2 ada Abinaya, Abian and Farrell. Go. Waktunya 3 minutes. Come on. Chop, chop, chop. Go, go, go. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Oh, not good. Okay. Let's see the answer to this. Okay. Okay. Alright, you're back. Oke. Sudah siap? Dengan jawabannya? Oke.
Sudah.
Alright. So let's practice the dialogue, okay? Tisha and Nessa, can you read dialogue 1?
Nisa jadi Poppy, Mister.
Boleh, boleh. Oke, silakan. Berarti Tisha jadi Damar ya. Oke. Yuk.
Which do you like to read? A science or a history magazine?
I like to have a better understanding of how this world works.
Actually,
I like experiments.
Oh, you like science. I like pop culture magazine.
What pop culture magazine do you read?
I read 17 magazine. I know from that magazine what is popular among teenagers.
Oke. Yang nomor 1 tadi jawabannya apa ya? Yang satunya, I prefer science magazine ya? Betul nggak? I prefer science magazine. Ya. Oke. Oke, betul. Now, Abi and Abian, can you read dialogue 2? Abi and Abian, can you read dialogue 2? Filenya tunggu dulu ya. Oke. Yuk. Udah belum?
Belum.
Oh, kenapa belum? Kita cek dulu ya. Kita cek. Would you rather buy a pocket or a visual dictionary? I'd rather, misalnya, buy a pocket dictionary. Tinggal gitu aja kan? It's small, so it's easy to carry around. What about you? I prefer pictures of visual dictionary. Misalnya, pictures help me remember the word. Kan sudah ada clue-nya. What do you think of the thick school dictionary? I don't like it. It's it's clumsy. The school, bukan clumsy. It's terrible. Misalnya, the school dictionary is heavy and clumsy to use. I agree. I don't like thick school dictionary too. Misalnya seperti itu. I don't like school dictionary either. Seperti itu misalnya. Bisa? Coba Abian sama Abi baca dialognya. Yuk.
Would you rather buy a pocket or a visual dictionary?
I prefer a visual dictionary. It's small, so it's easy to carry around. What about you?
I prefer usual.
Dictionary.
I
Betul.
prefer
visual
dictionary to a pocket because the picture help me remember the words.
Abi,
What do you think of the thick school dictionary?
I don't like school dictionary either. The school dictionary is heavy and clumsy to use.
I agree. Abi,
I agree.
I don't like thick school dictionary either. Oke. Alright. Now, Farel. Farel mau jadi Alif atau mau jadi Farah? Halo, Farel. Halo, Farel. Si Farel nggak ada. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Now for the last assignment, harusnya kan ini nih. Bentar, satu lagi tuh, sorry. Harusnya kan bikin ini, sorry ya. Yang ini nih, okay. Now, but this time I'd like you to tell about your preferences, ya. Dalam bentuk voice note. So I want you to make your own voice note talking about your preferences. It can be about books, it can be about movies, it can be about novel, or maybe application, something like that. Just tell me what you like or dislike about certain things in a form of voice note. Voice note-nya langsung dikirim ke grupnya. Okay? Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, thank you for today. See you next time. Jangan lupa yang tadi latihan yang tadi belum dikerjain di rumah ya. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye bye. Waalaikumsalam.